welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, okay, and we are going to see how we can add the path variable in Windows system, okay. So adding Terraform to system path. To use Terraform from any directory in the command prompt or PowerShell, you need to add the directory containing the Terraform binary on your system path to environment variable. Okay. Search for environment variable in the Windows search bar and select edit, then system environment variable. Then we have to do in the system properties Windows, click on environment variable button, and then in system variable section find out the path variable and click edit. Okay, then what we have to do, then we have to click on new and add the path to the directory where you have extracted the Terraform binary. Okay, example you can see it's showing that we have extracted Terraform in C directory, C drive. Okay, and click on OK to save the changes. Then after that you can successfully install and access, and you can check the version using command prompt PowerShell in your system. Okay, to verify the Terraform version, you can run Terraform ---- version. Okay, now how we can install Terraform or on Ubuntu or Debian? So as I have shown you the document here, we have to run these few commands. Okay, on Ubuntu, on CentOS, Fedora, and Amazon Linux and Homebrew. Okay, so we have to run this command. Then after that we Terraform will get installed on our system. Okay, so let's go back to the document. So I have written the same thing here. Okay, or the same command. Then we have run this command. Then we have to run sudo apt update install and sudo apt install Terraform. Okay, so then after that what we have to do after installing Terraform? So we have to install AWS CLI. Okay, how we can install AWS CLI? Then we have to run sudo yum install AWS -CLI. This is for Linux. Okay, and if you having Ubuntu, then you can run sudo apt-get install AWS -CLI. Then after that we can check the version. Okay, like using AWS --- version. And once you have like completed the installation of AWS CLI, then you have to run AWS configure command to configure your access key and secret key with Terraform in order to work with Terraform. Okay, so AWS configure, whenever you are running AWS configure, let's see, let me show you AWS configure. So it will ask access key, then it will ask secret key. Okay, so once we provided the access key, secret key, it will ask for region. So in which region you want to create your resources. Then it will ask for the input language, so you can put them as a blank, so that doesn't matter. Okay, so you can do like this. So configuration, what we have to do, the set of files used to describe infrastructure in Terraform is known as Terraform configuration. You will write your first configuration now just to launch a single EC2 instance. Okay, so we are going to see this in the next video. You have seen how we can install Terraform on Windows, how we can set the environment variable to work with Terraform on Windows, and how we can install Terraform on Ubuntu. Okay, and how we can configure AWS, and how we can install AWS CLI. Then after that we have seen like how we can configure AWS CLI using AWS configure command. Then after that we can check the version of AWS CLI using AWS hyphen version, and we can check the Terraform version as well using Terraform hyphen version. Okay, so I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, then do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.